this is YETI 20-ounce cup. I like this cup, especially this color just looks good. And this is the 18-8 stainless steel, and the surface is kind of like a coating or kind of paint. When it's in your hand, it's not slippery and pretty comfortable when you grab this. And this is dishwasher safe. You can put that in, and the BPA free. Let's check the lid. If you are just close it, you want to open it, it's really hard. So if you want to open it, just open the little slider, and then we can I don't know why it's so tight. Okay, here, because it got a double rubber ring, so it's not only like one ring, it's actually two rings. So let's check inside. You see there's no seam, or I mean joints in this metal, so you won't like worry about any leak. There won't be any leak inside. And once you buy this, I think it can last a really long time because just how good it is. I mean the build quality. And the size is good. I think this is best for drinking coffee or anything else like a juice or milk. So I think the size is great. At least you can survive for like half a day of your supply. And you see the material of the lid is super thick and super strong. Plus the suction, I mean the seal of the rubber ring, so make it so good. You don't need to worry about it's gonna leak. So this cup have the right size and good looking and the great quality. No matter you use it at home or at work, I think this is a very good choice. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.